Opening Logitech G Hub only to find your mouse missing can quickly become annoying, especially when settings, DPI controls, or button customization suddenly stop working. Many users notice the mouse working normally on the computer while G Hub refuses to detect it, or the software stays stuck loading without showing the device. Sometimes the mouse appears briefly and disappears again unexpectedly. In many situations, a Logitech G Hub not detecting mouse issue can happen because of USB communication problems, software glitches, outdated settings, or temporary device interruptions. Before reconnecting everything repeatedly or reinstalling random drivers, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get Logitech G Hub detecting the mouse properly again. Disconnect and reconnect the Logitech mouse securely and confirm the computer recognizes it normally outside G Hub. 2. Restart the computer completely and reopen Logitech G Hub after startup finishes properly. 3. Try another USB port because temporary connection interruptions may stop Logitech G Hub from detecting the mouse. 4. Check whether Logitech G Hub updates or permissions need attention for the mouse to appear correctly. 5. Open Logitech G Hub again and confirm whether the mouse appears normally afterward